Please consult the following demonstrations on video acquisition and recovery. MD Video is easy to use and is sure to dramatically improve your digital video investigations. Number 1. Choose evidence. Image selection. Click on the opened image and select the Next button on the bottom right of the program. Number 2. Select Recovery option. In this demo, we first identify the active files and then attempt recovery if necessary. Number 3. Enter case information. Enter the case information in the right screen that appears after clicking the case node. Number 4. Active file reviews. Click Case and then Analysis Results to check the active video analyzed. Check the signature and other data of the selected file using the hex viewer. Number 5. Recovery. The recovery operates based on your selected settings. Here, we're going to recover from the unused area of the file system. Select H.264 from the codec list and check the Details option in the right area. Click on the Frame node under Analysis Results. Number 7. Create a video. Select the desired frame in the recovery result and click the Create Video button. Number 8. Export. Select the desired files or frames in the recovery result and click the Export button. Identify the exported file and report. Number 9. Save case. Number 10. Close case. Lastly, we would like to introduce MD Video Analysis. MD Video Analysis allows investigators to quickly identify and sort important video frames from massive amounts of video data. Humans, as well as vehicles, such as cars, bicycles, motorcycles, and trucks, can be automatically identified. Additional features in MD Video Analysis are currently under development and will be included in updates very soon.